In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert columns in Microsoft Word. This is a simple and straightforward feature that can help you format documents like newsletters, brochures, flyers, or any text that needs a clean, newspaper-style layout. Using columns allows your content to look more organized and professional without needing complex formatting. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to add columns. Make sure your cursor is placed in the section of the document where you want the column layout to apply. If you want the entire document to use columns, you can simply click anywhere on the page before making changes. Once you're ready, go to the top menu and click on the Layout tab. This tab contains all the tools related to page structure and formatting. Under the Layout tab, look for the Columns option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing several preset column layouts. You can choose 1 column, 2 columns, or 3 columns, depending on how you want your text to be arranged. There are also options for left and right columns, which are useful if you want one column wider than the other for emphasis or side notes. As soon as you select an option, Word will automatically apply the column layout to your document. If the default options do not meet your needs, you can click on More Columns at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This opens a dialog box where you can further customize the layout. Here, you can increase the number of columns beyond 3, giving you more flexibility for complex layouts. You can also manually adjust the width of each column and the spacing between them, which is helpful if you want a tighter or more open look. In the same window, you'll see options that let you choose whether the columns apply to the entire document or only from your current cursor position forward. This is useful if you only want part of your document formatted into columns. You can also enable a line between columns if you want a clear visual separation. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK, and Word will apply everything instantly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to insert and customize columns in Microsoft Word in a quick and easy way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.